Have you ever been told money doesn't grow on trees? It's a phrase we hear often, but what if I told you it's not entirely true? We grow up believing we have to take the traditional route, study hard, get a job, and work long hours until we can finally retire. But do you really think that's how millionaires make their fortune? The truth is, most wealthy people don't just rely on their daily jobs. Instead, they build something smarter, passive income streams that earn money while they sleep. So, why wait until you're 65 to enjoy life? Stick around as we explore 7 simple ways you can start making passive income right now. If you want to learn more about growing your wealth, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more practical tips. Idea number 1, dividend-paying stocks. One of the easiest ways to start earning passive income is by investing in dividend-paying stocks. Many people think that investing in stocks means buying shares and waiting for their value to go up. But here's the thing, you only make money when you sell those shares, which isn't exactly passive. Instead, look at dividend-paying stocks, where companies pay you a portion of their profits regularly, often every month or quarter. Dividend stocks are shares from companies like McDonald's, Pepsi, or Starbucks. These companies share a piece of their earnings with investors as dividends. This means you get a steady flow of cash, and your stocks might also increase in value over time. But remember, not all dividend stocks are the same. The best ones are called dividend kings, which have increased their payouts for over 50 years. There are also dividend aristocrats, which have raised their dividends for at least 25 years. How to get started. Number 1, pick an investing app. Use apps like Moomoo for the US or Lightyear for the UK, Europe to get started easily. Number 2, make your first investment. Start with a small amount, but keep in mind that to earn big passive income from dividends, you'll need a good amount of initial money. Number 3, do your research. Don't just pick stocks with the highest dividend rate. Look for strong, reliable companies that have a track record of paying out dividends consistently. For example, if you want to make $100 per week from dividends and Starbucks pays a 2.4% annual dividend, you'd need to invest a huge $216,600. It's clear that dividend investing takes time and money, so let's move on to the next idea, which might be a bit easier to get into. Idea number 2, creating online content. Have you ever thought about how much money YouTubers and social media influencers make? In the past, TV and radio got most of the advertising money, but now, anyone can make money by creating videos on YouTube. You can start making money once you hit 1,000 subscribers and have 4,000 hours of watch time. And don't think these successful creators just got lucky. They put in a lot of hard work and time to create content that people love to watch. Tips for getting started. Number 1, choose a niche you love. Pick a topic you enjoy, like cooking, tech reviews, or travel vlogging. Number 2, make quality content. Create videos that people want to watch and share. Listen to feedback to keep improving. Number 3, keep it simple. You don't need expensive equipment. Your phone and a basic editing app are enough to get started. Creating videos is not easy. It takes time and effort, but once you build an audience, each video becomes a small moneymaker from ads. It might be tough in the beginning, but the financial rewards can be amazing in the long run. Idea number 3, private investments. Private investments are a bit like what you see on shows like Shark Tank, where investors give money to small businesses in exchange for a share of the company. There are 2 main types of investors, angels and sharks. Angels usually invest smaller amounts of money and often prefer to support businesses run by friends or family. Sharks invest larger sums and usually want more control to help the business succeed. Why should you consider private investing? Number 1, high earning potential. If the company you invest in grows, Your returns can be huge. Number 2, help the business grow. As an investor, you can share your ideas and help the company become more successful, which can increase your profits. Take Ryan Reynolds, for example. He invested in companies like Aviation Gin and Mint Mobile. By promoting them and helping them grow, he made millions when they were sold. Even if you make a smaller deal, private investing can still bring in a good income. Idea number 4, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest ways to make passive income online. You just promote a product or service, and if someone buys using your special link, you get a commission. It really is that easy. For instance, a friend of mine shared a referral link for her bank, which offered $10 for each person who signed up. She made over $300 just by sharing that link with her friends. How to start with affiliate marketing. Number 1, join affiliate programs. Many companies have affiliate programs. You can find them on their websites or use platforms like Amazon Associates. Number 2, create content about the product. Share your thoughts through blogs, social media posts, or videos. Number 3, be honest. Talk about your real experience with the product to build trust with your audience. Affiliate marketing doesn't need a big investment to start, and once you build a following, it can become a steady source of income. Idea number 5, create a digital tool. Creating a digital tool, like software or an app, can be a great way to make passive income. The best part is, you don't need to be a tech expert to do it. If you have a good idea, you can team up with a developer to bring it to life. For example, I created a software tool that solves a common problem and switched to a subscription model. Now, I earn a steady income every month with little effort. How it works. Number 1, find a problem to solve. Look for a gap in the market where your tool can help people. Number 2, partner with a developer. If you're not a coder, work with someone who can build the tool for you. Number 3, launch and promote. Use social media and other platforms to get the word out. Building a digital tool takes some time and effort, but once it's up and running, you don't have to do much while the money keeps coming in. Idea number 6, rent out your stuff. You probably have things around your house that could be making you money. A friend of mine rented out his driveway to people looking for parking near a train station and made over $140 a week. You don't have to stop at just your driveway. You can also rent out garage space, photography equipment, or even an extra room. How to make it work. Number 1, list your items online. Platforms like Airbnb for rooms or Fat Llama for equipment are great places to start. Number 2, set fair prices. Check out what others are charging to price your rentals right. Number 3, keep things in good condition. Taking care of your items is important to keep them in demand. This is a super easy way to earn passive income with very little investment to start. Idea number 7, create an online course. If you have a skill or knowledge that others want to learn, creating an online course could be a great way to earn passive income. Websites like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to share what you know and get paid whenever someone signs up. Steps to create your course. Number 1, choose your topic. Pick something you're passionate about and good at. Number 2, create the content. Plan your course, record videos, and make any materials you need. Number 3, market your course. Promote it on social media, email lists, and other channels to attract students. Once your course is up and running, it can keep earning you money for a long time with little effort. And there you have it. The old way of working a 9-to-5 job isn't the only path to making money. By building a few different streams of passive income, you can get closer to financial freedom much faster. Whether it's through investing in stocks, creating content, or renting out things you own, there are so many ways to earn extra cash without constantly working. So, why wait? Start today and take control of your financial future. If you enjoyed this guide and want more tips on making money while living life on your own terms, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.